Hello everyone, this is Tunj, and today we're going to be continuing our lesson on the song Shape of You. This is the lesson 2, so in case you missed the first lesson, you can just simply, I'll put it in the description or somewhere. You can simply refer back to that video and where we sort of went through all these chords that we need, so it's kind of important. If you haven't watched it, just take a look and come back here. For those who have already watched the video, let's just get right into it. Alright, so before we actually get started with this, I just want to say that rhythm, there's definitely no certain rhythm that you have to play for that song. It definitely is up to the player. And I myself, and probably everyone out there who is playing guitar, is simply improvising their own rhythm. And it's it's just coming from that ear, I don't know, part of your brain where you simply come up with it. You don't follow a certain pattern. For example, with this, it's like I don't look this up anywhere. It just comes with it, and I sort of play it accordingly. But in case you're not in that phase where you're like able to come up with your own thing, then you should definitely start with something much easier, like. And then sort of go from there. However, I'll still teach you guys what it is and what at least you can play in the beginning, which is going to be this pattern. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so when we play it faster, it should sound like. Oh no, wrong fret. Okay, before actually playing it with the chords, I really suggest you guys, if you're practicing with the muted sort of strings, and in order to do this, you simply like barely touch the string so that you mute the strings. Definitely not press it. You like touch it. Okay. And that should give you the muted strings. As far as I know, the order is not changing, and so the rhythm, and that's why you can simply practice this rhythm with the chords that we have covered in the first part of the lesson, integrate them, combine them, and that should at least give you the basic sort of playing of the song. Like I said, if you cannot play this rhythm, you can simply go with down, 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 down. For a little bit more advanced, you can simply do this. Okay, and that's it for me. That's the rhythm that you should follow. I mean, not you should follow in case you are in the beginning, learning. That's what you should do if you're in that phase. Otherwise, you have to come up with your own rhythm, and that's how you sort of develop and improve in guitar. And that's it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. Okay? See you then.